Molweni, igama lam ndinguthelisile Kolweni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, and welcome. If you're my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I am going to Alberton, SARS. I'm going with Sazi, and I'm dropping off my husband, and then I go straight to SARS in Alberton. I need to submit. I am at, switch this off. I am at Toyota. We are car shopping. I'm at Toyota. We are car shopping. This is the car that I would love to get. But there's another car that I would like to see. I think this is the entry-level one. As mentioned, we're just car shopping. This is the car that I really love. The one next to it is the Corolla Cross one, which is, I thought there was an manual one, but they all are automatic. So I don't want my first car to be an automatic car. After that, I went to Hyundai and I checked out an executive i20. Hey loves, I don't know if I actually finished this, but we are now at Hyundai. We are car shopping basically. I don't know if I want, so I'm between two things basically, and I don't know when this vlog will ever make it to the channel. So today is the 10th of October. It's still my birthday month, you know. Yeah, so I want a car, ne? I'm so tired of it. I want a car. So I'm looking at 3 cars basically. Well, 2 cars to be honest. I already know the brand that I like, but I just want to see the prices, you know. So the car that I want is a Toyota brand, and the car is a Scarlet Cross. But I feel like the other one is way too expensive for me right now. So I think a Scarlet Cross as my first car would be perfect. And the other one, which is on the pricier side, is the Corolla Cross. Stunning car, beautiful car, but it's going for like 400,000. The one that I think I would like, because I wanted it to have the nice features, you know, the modern car basically, not like your entry-level car. I wanted to have like your wireless charging, the heads up, you know, all those features that we now know the technology has for us. That's what I want. But the prices are pricing. Okay, the prices are pricing. I had glasses on, so this thing, anyways, the prices are pricing. So I don't know, literally I don't know, because I think those are the entry-level cars, like your green i10. This one this green i10 here, like a green i10. And the other car, which is from Toyota, I don't know what it's called, but it's VITZ, I think. That's the other car. Or the Scarlet, not the Scarlet Cross, like not the SUV kind of car. But yeah, so we are here. The reason I want a bigger car is because we already have a smaller car, so we might as well invest in a bigger car in case we like have a child. And yeah, so that is the reason why I am looking at a bigger car instead of like a smaller car. So after that, I went to Toyota in the morning, but the person that I've been speaking to was not there at the time. So I went to Hyundai. After going to Hyundai, I then went to Alberton City Mall. I wanted to like I have items that I wanted them to go to a dry cleaner. So I think yes, this is Alberton City. Quickly went to the bathroom and I went to drop off the things. I went to Woodward's first, but Woodward's, they couldn't help me because I was like in a bit of a hurry. So this was me now dropping off my clothes, my 3 jackets at a dry cleaner in Alberton City for them to dry clean, and then I went straight to Kwasaz after this. So I am done with my SARS appointment. It didn't even take so long. Loved it. Probably took 5 minutes. I am done with it. I am going to Clicks. I didn't even film there. I'm going to Clicks, and because I need some sanitary things and sanitary items. So I'm going to Clicks and I'm going to Pick and Pay. Pick and Pay, I need lemons and I need something else. I'll show you. Yeah, so basically that's what I was getting at Pick and Pay. This was a bicarbonate of soda and lemon, and I went to Clicks to buy myself Cortex products for my feminine hygiene. So that's what I got. I went back to Alberton because now the person was back. So we are back at Toyota in Alberton. I am car shopping basically. I have no plans or signing a deal or anything. It's so hot today, but yeah, we are back in Alberton. Car shopping, baby. Let's go and see the car that I like. Sibon ba. Which one? Tinento. I just want to have a look. Maybe test drive if possible. So this was now me walking in again as to it. Like going to car shopping is very fun, guys, especially if you're not really sure. Like to go and have a look. I know that there is a website and you can have a look and feel, but this is different. This is better because you get to see the car like physically and you get to see the inside of the car. Stunning. This is the car that I want, guys. Please watch the ads. This is the car we're going for. Fingers crossed next year my birthday and we can get the car. This is the other car, which is this one. The inside that you just saw now, me inside, is the inside of this car. This car I love. The space at the boots is amazing, but I feel like this is better in terms of the features that it has. This one has a camera. It gives you a 360 view, which I love so much. So the next day I took out my hair because it looked horrible, and yeah, basically my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Mwah!